What's going on, guys? Double R here, back again today with another video. Today we got something pretty exciting for me and her as well. Today is my girlfriend's first time ever learning how to drive manual. And today we're gonna teach her in the Nissan 240 SX. Alright, so I'm gonna take this to a very safe spot. Alright, so how we're gonna start this out, we're gonna start in reverse because you'll be able to feel the car move in reverse as you lift off the clutch with just a little less amount of gas. There's this bite point when you lift up off of the clutch and you'll feel the car start to grab and it'll start to pull back.
So teach me how much to push it.
Yeah, so we'll just start in reverse. That way you get the feel of like the clutch pushing back on your foot and how the car moves with the amount of gas you're pushing. So you get a good feel for it. I'm gonna put the e-brake on. Alright. You good? Seatbelt on?
Your seat is not comfy.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh, wait. I forgot something.
Oh my god.
Good?
Does the seatbelt always jab you like this, or my ass is just bigger than yours?
Yes. Yeah, I'm getting a different seat and a 5-point harness for you and me. Okay? But we're gonna do this safely. So you're gonna put the seatbelt in. Yep. Can you reach the clutch?
Barely. My toes are touching. Oh my god, you have a bucket seat.
Yeah, no seatbelt.
There's a car.
Alright.
I can't reach.
I need a pillow for Allie.
Yeah.
Alright, get up.
Found it!
Is that his pillow?
What? It's from my bed. Hey, I'm bringing my Subi road. Why did you got the one from the beanbag?
This one's firm. Gas as we easily let off the clutch, and you're gonna find the grabbing point to where the car is gonna move. See?
Oh, okay, I found it.
Yeah, you're good. I'll watch it. Just feel it. Brake. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in first.
Okay, so on the clutch.
Yeah, keep it on the clutch.
Yeah.
Take it out of gear. Okay. Now with the clutch in, put it in first gear. So all the way to the left, all the way to the left, up. It's an H pattern. So all the way to the left, up. Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing, except now we're going forward.
Okay. Well, we're kind of rolling forward.
Just easy on the gas. Yeah. Whenever you press the brake, clutch is in.
Okay.
That way the car doesn't stall. Hey!
Okay.
Now go into second. So clutch in, straight down.
Okay.
Oh my god, now go into third. So clutch all the way down. Oh my god.
I'm not.
Alright, go into neutral. So clutch in. Well, yeah. Press on brake. Now we're just gonna roll into here. Turn into here. It's fine because you're neutral. Okay. Now put it into. Okay, easy. Hold on. Wait for this car. Start steering out the way. Yep, you got it. The other.
Wait, hold on. I'm not in gear.
So foot all the way down on the clutch. Yeah, see? Or else it won't let you.
Yeah.
The clutch is that opening point.
I just stalled up.
Good. Brake.
Okay. I stalled.
Yeah, you did.
Because I let off.
I took it out of gear for you, but yeah, you did. You are driving a manual.
My legs are shaking.
Yeah, it's a little scary, right? But you feel what I mean.
So
Like once you engage, you have to
put the
press.
parking brake up so I can like let go.
So
stuff.
you.
My foot's on the brake right now.
You could just lift it. Yeah.
And now I can let go of everything.
You can let go of everything. Battery's off.
That was
Okay.
fun.
Yeah, it was. Do you want to retry again after I turn around?
Yeah, but can you bring me back over there?
Yeah. Like, do you want to go towards them?
Yeah, that would be a good shot.
Yeah, we'll try towards them. Alright, let's get you back over here. That's just put our hazards on. Because you are like a danger. You're doing a great job, so get comfortable. Everything about driving is the driver and you being comfortable. Not comfortable, you can't drive the same. So make sure that you're comfortable before you drive, because there's no rush, baby. Alright, so clutch in, you brake down. There we go. Okay, clutch in, first gear. Okay, so let off the clutch a little bit. That means it's like grabbing.
Stall.
No, you won't, because you're in neutral.
Oh, okay.
Let off the clutch a little bit. Now press all the way down. Yep. Now put it into first. Okay. Gas and easy off the clutch. Yep.
Damn.
Rev it up. So rev it up a little bit
so I
first.
can hear it first? Okay, so clutch in, then start it?
You can start it right now. You don't even have to start it with the clutch. It's 240.
Okay.
So clutch in, all the way down, first gear. Okay, now easy on the gas. Yep, rev it up just, yeah. Easy on the gas. Clutch in, clutch in, clutch in.
Fuck.
So if you're stalling like that, clutch
Put the clutch in, and then I'll just grab?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, clutch in and it'll let go and it'll basically be in neutral.
Okay.
So neutral means that the engine and the transmission are completely disconnected.
Okay.
Which means you can't stall. So when you're stalling like that, foot on clutch. There we go, push on gas. Yeah, you're doing good. No. Yeah!
I just had to get it out of first.
You went into third.
I know. I should have went into second.
You're fine though.
Okay.
Alright, so straighten out. There we go. Put it into first. And easy this way. Take it back out if you're not sure. Clutch all the way in. Bam. Now easy.
Where do you
feather
want
it.
me to?
Feather it, you know?
But where
like,
am I going?
You're gonna go like this way and I'll turn around for you. Yep. Feather. Don't, so you're letting off the clutch.
Okay.
Easy off of it. You're fine right now. Drive. You're in first gear. You're chilling. You could go around this whole lot in first gear.
Oh,
or you could pop it into second after you've revved it up a little bit.
Put it in neutral.
Did you press on the clutch when you put it in neutral? See, it doesn't want to move. You think you got this? Easy. Okay, but you're getting the hang of it. You see what I'm saying? Like you're letting off the clutch and then you're like pressing on the gas and you feel when it's a little too much.
The thing is that I have to push so much further with the clutch kind of popped up a little bit.
That's fine.
I have to push so much further like with my toe than I do with the gas for some reason. Like I reach the gas a little bit better than I do the clutch.
No, that's, you're supposed to. You'll get a feeling. The reason why I say go all the way down is because then you'll get the full feel of the engagement. And then you'll know like where the spot, so you don't have to push all the way down, all the way. There's like this specific sweet spot that you'll find.
And that's what you want
through
to do, the
pushing it all the way down. And that's, yeah, exactly. Because
so I could feel
you notice in reverse, the clutch
I felt
would push.
it when I first started, but I think when I was coming back, I was overthinking it. So I was like, all right.
Well, what you would do is you would get basically comfortable with letting off the clutch and just trying to go into first gear. What you're doing is you're basically trying to do a burnout in low RPM. That's why you bog out.
Okay.
You're dumping the clutch.
Okay.
So
I
you
need
want
to
to
just let off of it.
When I say let off, it's not letting your foot off.
I need to stop being scared
it's
of
like,
revving it and it sounding loud and slowly go off the clutch.
So what you think what I mean by revving is like this. That's not revving it up. That's just like kicking the revs up. Like this. Those are revs. 1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. If I take off at 4,000 RPM, I'm hitting a burnout. But if I take off at 1,000 RPM, you hear that hum? And I'm slowly letting off the clutch. And now it's rolling. My foot's still on the clutch.
Yeah.
But it's been caught. So now the clutch pedal's done, and now I can just all the way down. Second, same thing. You see how I'm like finding my spot to where it's comfortable, keeping it there, and then I'll let the clutch grab and the car roll as the clutch is grabbing safely, so that way it's not like grinding, because if it's too fast it'll grind against each other. but now it's moving at the same speed. I'll find it. It'll sputter. I'll add a tiny bit. When it's doing that, clutch.
Okay. But keep going with gas or take your foot off the gas?
Take your foot off the gas.
Hold
Clutch in. Like this, clutch in. Clutch in is the whole. Now I'm letting go and applying gas. I'm not even applying gas. I'm just putting my foot on it. And the weight of my foot, then I'll adjust. If I'm going like this too much, I'm too high in RPM, shift down, go lower. Now we're in second gear, lower RPM. Third gear. If I'm in too low of a gear, here, too high of a gear. Like the only reason why I do that is because it's fun. I can hum hum hum. Alright, let's do this before it gets too dark. Come on, baby. Put the hazard lights on because you're a hazard.
I heard your joke. Yeah, you're so funny.
I am.
Okay. Ow, I hit my foot.
Alright, so. Yeah, there we go. Clutch on the down. First gear. Too high in RPM, so clutch in. Let it drop and now easy. You see?
Yeah.
There we go, second gear. Clutch in, down, easy. Now clutch in, third.
I just went into neutral.
Or yeah, neutral, turn into here. There you go. Okay, now go into first. There we go. Easy, you're getting it. You're getting it. Because you're rolling, now you can start to feel it. So clutch in, don't even take it out of gear, just clutch in and go here. Now you can like, because you're in gear, you don't have to play with the stick.
Okay. Ow, I hit my foot.
Alright, so, yeah, there we go. Clutch on the down, first gear. Too high in RPM, so clutch in, let it drop, and now easy. You see?
Yeah.
There we go, second gear. Clutch in, down, easy. Now clutch in, third.
I just went into neutral.
Or yeah, neutral, turn into here. There you go. Okay, now go into first. There we go. Easy, you're getting it. You're getting it. Because you're rolling, now you can start to feel it. So clutch in, don't even take it out of gear, just clutch in and go here. Now you can like, because you're in gear, you don't have to play with the stick.
Are you guys out of gas?
No, I'm teaching her how to drive.
Oh, I was just making sure because you guys had your. I'm like, are they okay?
Yeah,
No, we're
good,
fine. I'm
thank
just
you.
teaching her
I'm
how
just
to
trying to learn how to
drive.
drive
That
manual.
much. I mean, is it a stick shift?
Yeah, yeah.
Those are tough. She drives pretty good for just.
Yeah, she's doing good,
Thanks.
I
man.
just want to let you know. I mean, I like that, like what you said to me, and I'll go with that. I mean, what else do I got to go with, right? Other than what you tell me. So, she drives pretty darn good for like first driving a stick shift.
Yeah, it's her first time.
You
She's
guys-
doing good.
No, I believe you. Don't worry, they'll be fine. They'll get through. Can you do me a small favor, you guys, maybe?
We don't have nothing, man. Just start driving.
I
I
can't
know,
do it.
listen, I know you guys are in like a big hurry all of a sudden, but listen, I'm not like some big boogeyman or nothing. You guys will be okay. Can you do me a small favor, possibly?
I'm teaching her how to drive right
I know, I'm not
now.
asking for
I'm
a
just
lot.
trying to keep her focused,
I'm
man.
not asking for a ride. I was gonna see if you guys could help me out with like $1.50.
Yeah, I just took her to drive. I didn't even bring my wallet out. Literally, all I have is my helmet.
That's great. No, I know you got like all nervous and she was ready to take off. Hey, let me see how good she is driving for her first time. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Usually people miss the clutch at least once.
She has a few times.
That's not bad. No, she's pretty darn smooth.
Yeah, she's doing good.
She's actually like a professional on her first day. You guys have a good night.
You
Thank
too,
you, you
man.
too.
Thank you.
Drive careful.
Here.
Looking good though for your first day. Or second.
Is there anyone coming down there?
Alright, popping into neutral and brake.
Sorry. I was excited.
Fuck that stop sign, bro.
I was like,
Hey, you could drive manual, dude.
I still need to practice.
But you could drive manual.
Turn off the emergency. The husbands. Turn them off.
She could drive, dude.
I just closed the door.
Where'd that come from? Is that the ashtray?
It broke.
Alright, so I'm really proud of the driving that she was able to do. I didn't expect her to even get through first gear. I expected her to stall within the first 3 seconds. So the fact that she made it all the way to third gear by the end of the street, I was really happy by that. And I'm totally surprised. Now, I swear to God, that was her first time ever driving manual. She's never driven a stick shift car before. I think the only one that she's ever tried to was in my diesel truck. So the fact that she did good first time in the 240 makes me confident that she can learn quick on other cars, and then we can probably get to building her car to where she can start driving manual in the Z. I'm really happy. Good shit, yeah. If you guys have any tips for her, make sure to put it in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, if you guys want to follow her 350Z build, make sure to go in the comment section below. I'm Double R, and I'm out.